Meaning of Filofax.
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 Filofax. Filofax is a brand of personal organizer that includes a binder, diary, and other helpful inserts. The name itself is a combination of the words file and of with the last three letters of fax, representing the portable nature of the product. First created in 1921 by a UK-based company, the Filofax has become a popular method of time management and organization worldwide. With its compact design and customizable features, it allows users to keep track of appointments, notes, and contacts in one convenient location.